I just took your hoe, that's a mistake. She don't fuck with you because you bitch made.
What's up, guys? Today we're gonna use some good weather because it just randomly became 70 degrees in Maryland right now in the middle of winter, and we're gonna put some lowering springs on my car. So it's time to get slammed, and a few friends are gonna come over and they're gonna help me out. So alright, quick tip, order this special tool. Let's see, come on, focus. Alright, it's not gonna focus, but there we go. See, it's a little flat, like oval. It's called a strut socket. What it does, there you go. What it does is it's like a $10 bit, and it will, you stick it in the rear of the knuckle and then you twist your socket and it will open it. It'll open the knuckle just enough that you can pull the strut out, so you don't have to do any like heating up the knuckle, which is really bad because you could ignite gas in the shock or in the strut. And you don't want to do that because then you have to buy all new suspension. So order that, it's like 10 bucks on Amazon. Before you do springs or any suspension work, it makes your life so much easier. I have to carry this from my apartment all the way down to the parking lot because this is where you have to do this, but this is everything we need for the suspension work. I just need to look up torque settings and that should be good. I'm going to go ahead and put this away, and I'll meet you guys down in the parking lot once Willem and Tristan and all them come here, because I'm gonna start doing work and preparing for by myself a little early, so I'll catch you in like a few hours. Alright, the end link's out. It was a bitch and a half to get out because I don't have ratcheting wrenches, so that's out now. Ball joints are right in that, so not a big deal. Next thing I'm going to do is, I already dropped the control arm. I'm going to probably loosen the strut fastener, or the knuckle fastener, and then remove the strut from the top. So hopefully it all goes well. It's pretty dirty under here because it's winter, so my hands are totaled. There's a nut on the top and something you insert, like a key almost, and you hold the key and then you can insert it. We don't have the right tools to do that. We got the other one out though, so I'm just trying to switch off. Do you guys want to go to the store?
We just need like a vice grip that fits around this.
You know what?
I don't want that. I'm gonna take his with us.
Thanks for meeting.
It's my keys.
don't have green. Huh? I'm picking up the ship. I have WD-40. That's good.
I need a breaker bar, not a fucking.
I got the other one off.
Yo has a torque wrench as a breaker bar.
Yeah.
You're just gonna blow up your breaker bar.
It works mint.
Boy, you didn't even push the brake.
I know, I have a real breaker bar if you want.
Whatever.
This shit's already totaled.
Just stand on that bitch.
Yeah.
Even it's already torqued.
It's already totaled.
I was like, dude, you don't torque it to loosen it.
Loosen 150. Loosen.
You get it? Oh, it's coming. Alright, I got it.
Dad! Why? I was jumping like a mother. Dude, this shit locked. Oh, fuck, this shit was locked. Yo, your line is gonna get flat.
Yeah, I have to go get another one.
Alright, can I like...
Yeah, you can take it out.
Cock breath. You got a pump? What are you doing?
Hammering my axle out.
I said your shit's gonna blow up. Blowing up like.
What do you...
Yo. Wow. You don't have anything that goes all cold. They went to AutoZone. Don't you have one in your apartment? I'm assuming either you or Jack is something that get.
Jack does. Jack's not gonna let you know.
I just needed to pull like liquid out. It can be a turkey baster too. But you not with your turkey. What am I supposed to do? How do you need to pull oil out? Because the oil that's in there is clapped. It's probably fine. Go look at it. That's not normal. The whole car's not normal. That's just water. That's why it's not shifting. So I need stuff to move.
Oh, fuck!
Alex, that shit hit different.
Yes. Oh my god, this is so bad. Nah.
I'm going into your apartment and stealing.
I might need your...
Huh? What? Just let me run it real quick.
Here.
Make sure nobody steals my shit.
Here.
I'm gonna have to take that shit. That shit's clean.
I need a second pair of hands right now because I just tried to lift up an entire steering suspension assembly with one arm.
Dude, you're a pussy. Just lift it.
Where is
Let me
it?
get the key.
Keys in my car.
Alright.
My car. You just walked off.
You didn't say that.
I did.
Keys in my car. Alright.
No, you did. Just like you said. I said the
Oh
keys in
my-
my car. Alright, fuck you. You're just gonna horn me about that for the rest of my life. Oh, man, this is so clever. Dude, what's wrong with the splitter?
It's pooped.
Why is it? I didn't know
It's
it was
fucked.
this bad.
Yeah, it's destroyed.
Holy. Did you duct tape this?
We fiberglass repaired it to get
He's so sleep. Dude, get a new one. Yeah, it's just $500. That was. It's carbon. My turbo.
How much was your turbo?
With the lines, with the return. That's so fuck you. I had to replace the return lines.
I just took your hoe, that's a mistake. She don't fuck with you because you bitch made.